Tim, I'm out of ammo, dude. Do you have any ammo?
No way, man. This is my last magazine. I'm all out too.
Crap, what are we gonna do for ammo?
What time is it?
What? It's like 10:30. What does that have to do with anything?
10:30? Perfect. As long as we make phone orders before 2, it'll ship by today. Hey, AirsoftGI. I'm at SC Village. SC Viper specifically. I need some ammo. Oh man, I'm way out. Yeah. My credit card number is 123-456-789. Right away. Thank you. All right, ammo's on the way. We just gotta hold these guys off.
All right.
Ammo's here.
Oh, nice. Elite Force. Good choice.
Yeah.